What's going on, everyone? My name is Tony Gamina, one of the product managers here at Milwaukee Tool, and today I'm excited to share with you a look at the all-new Gen 3 M18 FUEL half-inch high-torque impact wrench. Now, before we dive into the details, I want to provide you all with an understanding of where we've come from. Back in 2013, Milwaukee Tool introduced the Gen 1 M18 FUEL half-inch high-torque impact wrench. Now, this solution provided users with a cordless solution that competed with pneumatic and corded impact wrenches that you would see on the shop and in the job site. Now, despite the success that we saw, we listened to you and tried to understand how we can take that solution to the next level to provide you with a complete corded and pneumatic solution. Fast forward to 2017 with the introduction of our Gen 2 M18 FUEL half-inch high-torque impact wrench, which eventually became the industry standard. This solution provided you with ample power, application speed, size, weight, and durability to complete those tough applications day in and day out. Now, since then, over the past 6 years, we have been on the job site and in the shop with you to understand what those frustrations are and how we can take this next generation solution to the next level to raise that bar. And now in 2023, we've come to you with our Gen 3 M18 FUEL half-inch high-torque to change the game once again. Now, when we look at a gen over gen solution, what did we really do to raise that bar again? We've added more power to this solution, up to 14% more power, faster application speeds, a more compact solution, and unwavering durability. When we look at these two tools, we've taken over 3/4 of an inch out. Again, we've added 200 foot-pounds to this solution to make you more productive. But also, when we look at durability, we made some technological advancements from a ground-up redesign to deliver on those asks you have been voicing to us. For starters, we implemented a more power-dense motor. This motor is packed with up to more than 20% copper to provide users with ample power and application speeds. Not to mention, that power-dense motor allowed us to make the tool more compact. We added a proprietary anvil material, which we believe maximizes the amount of torque put through a half-inch anvil to ensure that our users are not shearing anvils weeks or months after putting this tool into their hand. We added a new electronics package, put it into the handle to save on additional length, but as well as allowing us to control thermals to ensure that you are maximizing power and durability when putting this tool into your hands. We added a battery isolation system that secures the connection and controls vibration to the pack, so users are no longer having to hold the pack onto the tool or use a tape or a boot to ensure that that connection over time doesn't wear and causes you to not be able to do your job. All of these pieces of technology are what are going to set us apart and make this the industry leader once again when it comes to a half-inch high-torque impact wrench. Now, let's get into the details and understand what separates us apart from the competition. Our Gen 3 M18 FUEL half-inch high-torque wrench is the most power-dense solution in its class, is up to 2 inches shorter length than other cordless competitors, and delivers the fastest removal speeds. Coming in at just 5.9 pounds bare tool, our Gen 3 solution, when paired with our M18 REDLITHIUM XC 5 amp hour battery, delivers up to 1,100 foot-pounds of fastening torque and 1,500 foot-pounds of nut busting torque. Now, when you slap on a M18 REDLITHIUM FORGE XC 6 amp hour battery, you're going to see a step change in performance and power. And you are going to see 1,200 foot-pounds of fastening torque and 1,600 foot-pounds of nut busting torque. Now, not only does this tool provide you with enough power, but you're going to see greater access on the job site and in the shop. This tool is going to come in at up to 2 inches shorter than any other leading cordless competitor you'll see here today, giving you the ability to put the power and performance that this tool produces in more places. Now, in terms of removal speed, here at Milwaukee Tool, we want to provide you with a safe and productive workday. With that being said and that in mind, we want to ensure that you can rattle down and remove bolts as fast as possible, making you the most productive throughout the workday. In order for us to show you the power and the speed this tool delivers, we're going to go head to head and fasten a bolt for 8 seconds with our tool and a competitive tool. We'll switch each tool to see if each competitor or our tool or the other competitor can remove the other bolt. On 5. On 25. Now that you've seen the power and speed that this solution provides, I want to leave you with one last thing. Again, all that power, the increase in power and performance, the decrease in size, must be accompanied by unwavering durability. As mentioned before, the addition of our proprietary anvil material allows you to maximize the amount of torque put through a 1/2-inch anvil, whereas some of our competitors did not take that into consideration. Our battery isolation system is going to prevent those intermittent instances to ensure that you can utilize this tool day in and day out. Our new robust set of electronics allows you to maximize performance throughout the life of the tool, and the new power dense motor is going to allow you to capitalize on all the performance gains as well. With all of that being said, to summarize, we want you to understand that this solution is going to revolutionize how you work, providing you with the most power dense, the most compact, and the fastest solution in the industry.